it's Miss Barbara, and we're doing a space-themed story time. This is an outer space story time. So this is a song that I want to teach you, and we're doing it with the flannel board, and it's a song about the planets. Do you know what the planets are? They're up in space. Our planet is called what? Do you know what the name of our planet is? Let me hear you. That's right, Earth. We live on Earth. And this is something that's up in the sky, up in space, and it's the center of our universe. Do you know what it's called? It's called the sun. Do you know the song about the sun? Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are telling you to please come out so they can play with you. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. But that's not the song we're learning. I bet you already knew that song. This is a song about the planets. So we're going to put our sun right here in the middle of our solar system. And we're going to sing the song, and it goes to the tune of Here We Go Round the Mulberry Bush, which some of your parents might know. It goes like this. Do 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 do. That's the tune. And we're going to start with this planet right here. This planet is Saturn. And you know what I love about Saturn? Saturn has a nice big ring around it, like a hula hoop. And we're going to sing. Ready? We're going to say, Saturn goes around the sun, around the sun, around the sun, like the planets, everyone, each one in its orbit. The orbit is the path around the sun. So let's see what our next planet is. Our next planet is Neptune. So we're going to say, ready? We're going to say, Neptune goes around the sun, around the sun, around the sun. Neptune goes around the sun, each one in its orbit. And there's Neptune. Our next planet is Uranus. He's also got a ring, not as big as Saturn, but he's got a ring too. And it goes like this. Uranus goes around the sun, around the sun, around the sun. Uranus goes around the sun, each one in its orbit, right? They're in their orbit. Let's see what the next one is. The next one is Jupiter. Ready? Jupiter goes around the sun, around the sun, around the sun. Jupiter goes around the sun, each one in its orbit. All right, now we have Venus. See, that says Venus. Ready? Venus goes around the sun, around the sun, around the sun. Venus goes around the sun, each one in its orbit. There we go. So how many planets do we have so far? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 planets so far. Let's see if we have any more. The red planet is called Mars. Ready? And it's the one that's closest to us. We're going to say, Mars goes around the sun, around the sun, around the sun, like the planets, everyone, each one in its orbit. Now, Mercury. Ready? We're going to say, Mercury goes around the sun, around the sun, around the sun. Mercury goes around the sun, each one in its orbit. And the last planet we're going to do is the planet where we live. Do you remember I told you the name of our planet? Who remembers? What's the name of our planet again? We live on planet Pluto. No, Pluto is actually a little dwarf planet. It doesn't count as a planet. But Earth, that's our planet. We live on planet Earth. And Earth goes around the sun, around the sun, around the sun, like the planets, everyone, each one in its orbit. Yay! So here's the sun, and let's count the planets. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 planets. And those are the planets in our solar system. Thanks for joining me. Okay, we're going to do a song now. Now remember, we zoom, zoom, zoom. This one's very similar to zoom, 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 because we're going to count down at the end. So we'll do zoom, zoom first as a warm-up. We're going to say, zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard a rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Yay! Now this song goes to the tune of Itsy Bitsy Spider, and it's called Climb Aboard the Spaceship. And it goes like this. Climb aboard the spaceship, we're going to the moon. Hurry and get ready, we're gonna blast off soon. Put on your helmet. Where's your helmet go on your head, right? And buckle up real tight. Here comes the countdown, let's count with all our might. And this is tricky because we're gonna go from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Oh, 6. Miss Barbara had a little trouble there. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Let's try that one more time. Ready? Climb aboard the spaceship, we're going to the moon. Hurry and get ready, we're gonna blast off soon. Put on your helmet and buckle up real tight. Here comes the countdown, let's count with all our might. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Yay! Thank you so much for joining me, and don't forget to watch the story, Penguinaut. See you soon. Bye-bye.